Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Moto E13. You need to start by opening Play Store on both. Now tap on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on those two smartphones. Click on I accept, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about newsletters and updates, you can choose Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Nextly, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Motorola, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then hit close this window and go back to an Android. In it, tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories above. Then tap on Send next to select it. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. You can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one. Click on Send and tap on Got it. Now pick the best connection way for you. If you want to use this QR code, you need to tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on Motorola. Then choose while using the app or only this time to allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key by tapping on Input Key section on Motorola, typing in all of those digits, and lastly connecting by tapping on Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!